This is an ASUS C201P laptop screen replacement guide. For the replacement process, we'll need the following tools: plastic pick, small Phillips screwdriver. To begin, shut down the laptop and disconnect the power cord. Now we can remove the bezel. Take the plastic pick and start opening the bezel from the top left corner. Move around the outer perimeter of the screen. Close the laptop and flip it over to get access to the bottom side of the hinge cover. Insert the plastic pick between the back cover and the hinge cover and carefully unsnap it from the bottom side of the screen assembly. Open the laptop again, and while pushing on the hinge cover with a plastic pick, detach the bezel from the hinge. Put the bezel aside. The LCD panel is held in place by 4 bracket screws. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove 2 bottom screws, then 2 top screws. Place the LCD on the keyboard. Carefully unglue the clear tape securing the video connector. Using both hands, disconnect the video cable. Discard the old LCD. Take the new LCD panel and place it on the keyboard. Using both hands, reconnect the video cable. Secure it with a clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any connectors. All connectors are very fragile. Lift the screen up, aligning it with the mounting brackets. At this point, we can test the new screen. Press the power button. If the startup graphics appear, the screen is properly connected and working. Press and hold the power button to cancel the boot up. Replace 2 Phillips screws at the bottom of the screen. Replace 2 screws at the top. Replace the bezel. Start at the bottom near the hinge cover. Use a plastic pick to get the bezel under the hinge cover. Go around the perimeter of the display assembly, gently snapping the bezel back in place with your fingers. Close the laptop and flip it over to snap the tabs at the bottom side of the back cover. Reconnect the power cord and turn the laptop on. The LCD screen is installed correctly, and we are done.